So today we are going to begin with a new chapter, that is chapter number 7, log on to Flash CS6. Okay, now the first question that comes is how can we access software on our laptop? So first of all, we need to install it from the internet. Okay, how can you install it from the internet? What is the thing that you need to type for installing the Flash software? See, the first thing that I would like to tell you is it is a paid software. So you cannot get it free from the internet. You have to either purchase it or you have to try to find out some crack version, some free version or some trial version of that software from the internet. Now, what are we going to learn? We are going to learn Adobe Flash. Either you can type CS5 or you can use CS6, whatever you want to. Adobe Flash CS6 download for free. So you will come across number of
सर इससे
websites.
भी अलावा होते हैं
You will come across number of websites from where you can
ऐसे
download the software. Now you will have to try this thing yourself. From which software, from which website you will be able to download the full version of the software. In case you're not able to download the full version of the software from any website, you can try this one, free trial version. It is available on the Adobe Flash website, so you can try this thing. Fine. In case
सर
you're not able to
अडोबे
get,
क्या होता है?
Adobe is a company, dear, and Flash is the name of the software. Fine. What we use Flash for? See, Flash is a software package that allows users to create animated works. Okay, it's a software package by the help of which we can create different kind of animations. The animations, the kind of animations you have seen in movies like Robot and other science fiction movies. We can create such kind of magnificent that animations with the help of Flash software. Earlier, when HTML was not there, we used to design, the software developers used to design websites using this software called Flash. With Flash we can create movies also. With Flash we can create websites also. With that we can create animated effects also. Fine. So that's what we use Flash for. And we if we are working on Flash environment, then we need not to compromise on the quality of the work. Fine. If you want to get a high quality picture, okay, like an HD picture that you say, so you can get it with the help of this Flash environment, or you can say Flash software. Fine. So what you guys have to do today, you guys have to try to download this software from somewhere from the internet. I do not know what website you are going to use, but you have to download it on your laptop, and you have to install it on your laptop. That's what you guys have to do today. Fine. It will not take you too much of time. Fine. You just have to give it 5 or 10 or half an hour. Fine. Whenever you are free, just try to download it. Instead of going outside for playing something, make sure that you download it from the internet. Fine. Now I am already done with downloading the Flash software from one of the websites on internet, and I'm also done with installing the software on my laptop. Now how will I access that software? That I am going to tell you. What I need to do is I need to come on this start option, and I need to type Adobe. So when I will
सर
type this Adobe, all the Adobe softwares that are installed on my laptop will get reflected in this in this list, in this cascading menu like this. So this is the one that I am going to use for teaching you Adobe Flash Professional CS6. What is the version that is installed on my laptop? It is CS5, as you can see it, because I haven't got CS6 from anywhere on the internet. So that is the reason I have installed this CS5 version of Adobe Flash Professional. Okay, when I will click on this, what is going to happen? Someone was asking something. Nitya,
Sir,
you were
I
asking
was
something?
asking,
Please go ahead, dear.
सर इसके भी और फीचर्स हैं
Sorry.
सी एस
Means
सिक्स सी
version.
एस
You're,
वन
yeah. These are not features, beta. These are versions of Adobe Flash. CS3 is also there, CS5 is there, CS6 is there. Okay, but the latest version is I think CS6 or CS9. I do not know. I do not know about that. But I think in your book it is Flash CS6. Okay, but we can learn Flash with this version also that I have got installed on my laptop. So right now, what is the version that we are using? We are using CA Flash Professional CS5. Okay, so this is a kind of a screen you will come across when you'll uh, access your Flash software. Fine. Now, what you guys have to do is, we are not going to work on these things. There are many options over here. Fine, but we are not going to work on these things. We are going to work on this Action Script 3.0. Okay. Now, when you will click on this, so this is a kind of environment you will get to see. Fine, this is a kind of environment that you will get to see when you will click on ActionScript 3.0. Come on page number 78. Come on page number 78. There is a heading, blue color. There is a heading given. It is the second heading given on that page. How to start. Now come on one, two, three. Fifth point of that how to start heading, that is there under how to start heading. It's written over there under create new section, select action script 3.0. So that's what I have selected, right? I have selected action script 3.0. So this is the environment. This is a kind of environment that you will get to see. And here, you will get to see the name of the script that we guys are using. Okay, and what is the name of the Flash player that we are using? It is Flash Player 10. So by default, for ActionScript 3.0 in Flash Professional, Flash Professional CS5, the player that we have got is Flash Player 10. Fine. So we are working on these. We are working on this environment at present. The configuration of which is Flash Player 10 and script is ActionScript 3.0. That's what you guys have to remember. Okay. Now come. इतना सबको समझ में आ गया? Is there anything which you are not able to understand? Everyone has
सर
understood this much?
एक्शन स्क्रिप्ट
Yeah. Action script, see, action script is one of the many options that are available in Flash. It's a kind of environment, you can say, dear. There are various environments that are available in Flash like action script 2.0, action script 1.0. But right now we are working on action script 3.0. For example, you have got a computer lab in your school, right? You've got a computer lab, you've got a chemistry lab, you've got a physics lab also in your school. But if you want to work on computers, so which lab you will prefer for that? You will go in the physics lab, you will go in the chemistry lab, or you will come to the computer lab. Which lab you will? Yes, Vian.
Computer lab.
Computer lab, of course. So that is the reason, right now, the ActionScript 3.0, ActionScript 1.0, these are some kind of environments, or you can say labs that are there in Flash environment. Fine. And
और
in
सर
our
इसे चेंज
syllabus,
कहाँ से करते हैं
you can change it from here, dear. When you'll come on this file option, okay, and when you'll click on this new, automatically again you will get to see all the kind of environments that are present in the Flash Professional CS5. Now here it is written ActionScript 2.0. If you want to work on ActionScript 2.0, you can select this version. If you want to work on Adobe Air 2, iPhone OS, iPhone operating system, you can select any of these things. But the environment that is there in your course is ActionScript 3.0. Have you got my point, Nitya?
यस
Nitya, is it Pakka beta? It is clear to you, na? There is no
यस
problem. Okay.
नो
Now come on the third, heading, the Flash workspace. Now, what is meant by workspace or environment? See, if I ask you to write something about Flash workspace or Flash environment, I am indirectly asking you to write about the various things that are available in the Flash environment. Okay. Now, the first thing that is there given in your book is menu bar. Are you all able to see that menu bar under this heading, the Flash workspace?
Yes, sir.
Are you all able to see it? Now, where is that menu bar present?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
all able to see? Are you all able to see these options that are there? Right on the
Yes,
top.
sir.
This is
Yes,
the
sir.
menu bar.
File, edit,
This
view, insert,
That
modify,
is right, Raghav.
etc.
That is right. So this is the menu bar, and these are all the options that are present in the menu bar. Okay, you have to remember these things. When I will use these terms like menu bar, stage area, tools panel, if you will remember these terms now, you will be able to understand Flash in a more better way. Okay, you will be able to grab all the things quickly. Now, sorry, grasp all the things quickly. So these are all the options that are available in the menu bar. Fine. Now, sorry, what is the where is the stage area? This white background, this white portion that you're seeing over here, this is the known as stage area. Now here you can draw anything, whatever you want to draw, you can draw anything on this stage area. Fine. This is like,
Yes, sir.
you must have seen the software Paint. You must
Yes,
have
sir.
worked on the software Paint. So this is the white area that you get in Paint. And here on this white area you can draw anything, right? You can create any kind of image on this white area. So Flash is also similar, it is also similar to Paint. But in Paint, what happens, we can create only static images. We cannot create any kind of animation. Okay, we what is necessary in animation? In animation, we have moving images. We need to have moving images for creating an animation. We need to have moving images, but we cannot have moving images in this Paint software. Am I right, Athar? We cannot create any moving animation or any moving image in this Paint software. The only thing we can do in Paint is we can create static images. We cannot create dynamic images. Dynamic means movable, moving images. Okay. So this white area over here in this environment is known as a stage area, on which we can draw any object, on which we can write any text, any kind of thing, we can write it over here. Fine. Now comes the tools panel. This whole panel is known as the tools panel. Are you all able to see this tools panel over here?
Yes.
This is known as the tools panel. Fine. And what else do we have here? The properties panel. This panel that you're seeing over here is known as properties panel. Are you all able to see this properties panel over here? Are you all able to see this properties
Yes.
panel or not? Okay.
Yes.
So now how many, when I will ask you to describe the Flash workspace or to tell me about Flash environment, what are the 4 or 5 things you are going to tell me? The first thing that you are going to tell me is, we have got a menu bar in the Flash environment. Okay, in which we have got several options like file, edit, view, insert. There are several options that we have got in the menu bar. We will learn about each and every option, don't worry about that. But right now it is just an introduction that I am giving you of this environment. This is a second thing called the stage area, on which we can draw any object, on which we can write any text. Fine. This is the tools panel over here. Okay, with these tools, the way we have got some tools over here in this Paint software with which we can draw something on this stage area. Okay, we can write something using this text tool over here. Similarly, we have got some tools in this tools panel of Flash environment, by the help of which we can draw objects on this stage area, we can write something on the stage area, etc, etc. Fine,
Sir,
this is the third thing. What is the fourth thing? We have got a properties panel. Now in properties panel, what happens? Anything that you will draw on this stage area will be considered as an object. Remember this thing. Anything that you will draw on this stage area will be considered as an object. So whatever
सर
object you
तो
will draw
अगर
on this
हमने
stage
लाइन
area,
लाइन में लगानी तो फिर तब भी ऑब्जेक्ट ही मानेगा.
yes, if you will draw a simple line also on this stage area, it will be considered as an object. Okay,
sir, I
dear.
have a doubt.
Now what if, yes, Vihan?
Sir, uh, सर ये जो व्हाइट बोर्ड है इसके नीचे जो 5 10 50 सर इससे क्या
I
हम
am
जो
coming on that. I am
साइज
coming.
बढ़ा
I
सकते
am,
हैं.
dear. I am coming on that also. Okay, I am coming on that also. Right now, try to understand the things which I am trying to tell you. Okay, don't worry about that. I will cover each and everything that you are seeing on this environment right now. No, I will cover each and everything. So the fourth thing is this properties panel. Now, whatever object you are going to draw here on the stage area, all the properties of that object are going to get reflected here in this properties panel. Okay, for example, if you will draw a line like this, fine. Now the properties of this line, are you able to see this line is of green color? So this is a stroke color and this is a background color. So the if you want to change the color of this line, what how can you do this? See, if you will draw a new line, it will be like this. Fine. If you want to change the color of this line, you can do it like this. Fine. We will talk about everything. Don't worry about that. The major thing, the important thing which I want you to understand is the properties of whatever objects we will draw on this stage area. All the properties will get reflected here in this properties panel. Okay, that's what you have to remember. Fine. And the last but not the least thing that is there we need to take care about is this timeline. Fine. This timeline is a window at the bottom of the stage. Now it is divided into frames. These white rectangular boxes that you're seeing here, na, these are known as frames. Now it is the area where one controls the sequencing and timings of graphics and other elements of the movie. What if you want to control the speed of the movie, if you want to make it go fast, if you want to have a control on the speed of the animation, whatever animation you have drawn on this stage area using different kind of objects, if you want to increase the speed, if you want to lower down the speed, you can do it with the help of this panel over here that is known as timeline panel. So it is basically used for managing the time, for time management. Fine, for controlling the speed, for controlling the motion, everything. So this is the fifth and the most important part of the flash environment.
Sir, where it is used?
Beta, it can be used for controlling the motion of your animation. Fine, if suppose you have drawn a line here, you have just a second, let me just show it to you practically. See, if suppose, beta, can you please mute yourself? Some noise is coming from the background. I do not know who is this. I'm not going to explain, I'm not explaining this thing to you, but I'm just showing you a kind of motion, that you can create on this flash, in this flash environment. Are you all able to see the circle moving from this point to this point? Are you all able to see it moving?
Yes.
Okay. So why is it moving? Just because of this timeline over here. Okay. Now, if I will press enter, na, you will see this is called playhead. Okay. You will see this playhead. Rudransh, can you please mute yourself, dear? when I will press enter, you will see this playhead moving from this point to this point. And when it will move from this point to this point, you will see this, circle that we have created over here from moving from this point in this direction, like this. This is where the playhead is initially at present. So this is how the motion is created. This is how the timeline helps us in creating some kind of animation kind of effect.
तो सर ये
Are you
आगे
all?
कैसे बढ़ी ये समझ नहीं आ
Because
रहा
that Nitya, that I will explain you, dear. What Vihan has asked me was, "Ki sir, how can we use this timeline?" So my thing, what I want you to understand is timeline is used for controlling the animation. Timeline is used for controlling the motion of a particular object on the stage area. That's what I want you to understand. Timeline हमें क्या कर सकता है? Motion control करने में मदद करता है. If I want to make it move fast, ठीक है, मुझे इसको तेज आगे चलाना है, तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? आई कैन चेंज द फ्रेम रेट टू 78. By default it is 24. If I will change it to 78, now let's see what's gonna happen. You will see it moving very fast. दिख रहा है ना आपको? और तेज चला या नहीं चला, है ना? Why it is happening? Just because I have changed the frame rates. So the only thing that you have to remember for now is this timeline is used for controlling the motion, controlling the speed of the animation. Okay, and these rectangular boxes that you're seeing over here, na, these are known as frames. Is this thing clear to every one of you? All the 5 panels, we have learned about menu bar, we discussed about tools panel, we discussed about properties panel, this is the stage area, and this is the timeline panel. Fine, this is what we have discussed.